Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to you, 5 students of SK Sungkai. Today we are going to learn chapter Going Away and we are going to discuss about extreme weather around the world. Kita akan membincangkan tentang cuaca melampau di seluruh dunia. Turn to page 86 in your textbook. Buka muka surat 86 and we are going to learn right now. Okay, this is the vocabulary that you are going to use for this week. Stormy, ribut. Foggy, berjerubu. Icy, berais. Cold, sejuk. Rainy, hujan. Windy, berangin, angin yang kuat. Hot, panas. Snowy, bersalji. Cloudy, awan mendung. Sunny ialah cuaca cerah. So let's look at this sun. Definitely sun. The words that match this picture for matahari, sun, yeah, is sunny. Let's look. Yeah, correct. Now look at the second picture. As you can see here, there is lots of snow. There is lots of snow. Banyak salji ni. So the words that describe kawasan ini ialah snowy. Now look at this place. Okay, this is sea. Okay, ini ialah awak nampak di sini ialah laut dan most of the mountains or hills are covered with fog. Okay, kawasan ini dikelilingi sampai tak nampak, awak nampak bukit-bukit di belakang ni. So dikelilingi oleh jerubu. Okay, so jerubu tadi fog. So it will be foggy. Okay, this one, look at the clouds. Okay, nampak tak awan ni? Awan mendung. Yes, awan, we are going to call it cloud. So it is cloudy. Now look at here. This is wind, angin, but the wind is so strong, so we are not going to call it windy. Terlampau kuat di sini, so kita kena panggil dia ribut, stormy, ya. Okay, now look at this crack on the ground. Nampak ada retak-retak ni. Okay, because it is really hot. Sangat panas sampai lantai tanah di bawah ni pun bereka. So it is hot. Now look at this on the branches dia. Nampak ni dekat ranting-ranting ni ada ais. So kalau ada ais, we are going to call it icy. Yeah. Okay, look at these two men wearing cold weather appropriate clothes, memakai baju yang bersesuaian dengan cuaca yang sejuk, dan dia macam kena tolak ke belakang kan, disebabkan oleh angin. So we are going to call it windy. Look at this man wearing jacket, mittens, snow cap. Kenapa? Sebab dia sejuk. So the correct words that we are going to use is cold. Now look at here. Ni lah Malaysia, penuh dengan hujan. So kalau hujan ialah rain. So cuaca yang sentiasa berhujan, we are going to call it rainy. Okay, that's it. So okay, let's talk about Mawsynram. Mawsynram is in India. Received the highest rainfall, almost 12 meters per year. Okay, how many 12 meters? Is it a lot? Okay, let's look in Malaysia. The wettest place is in Kuching, Sarawak with 4 meters for 279 days in a year. Okay, kalau kat Malaysia, tempat yang paling banyak terima hujan ialah di Kuching, Sarawak dengan 4 meters. In Mawsynram, it is almost 12 meters. So 3 times from Malaysia. Dia punya banyak tu 3 kali ganda, ya. Okay. So if you can see So let's look at the first questions. The wettest place. Tempat yang paling banyak terima hujan. Mawsynram is in India. Is one of the wettest places in the world. Okay, tempat yang paling basah di dunia. Yeah, this small blank village in India gets about 12 meters of rain every year. Okay, tengok yang dekat rain ni. Ya, tengok dekat rain. Okay, rain. So this is your clue. So kita tengok jawapan yang paling banyak rain. Yep, here. Rainy. Okay, itu yang paling sesuai. Yep. Okay, this small rainy village. Okay, that's the answer. Now look at this. Teacher nak awak tengok ya dekat gambar ni. This is their umbrellas. Inilah payung. Kenapa dia bentuk macam kura-kura? Sebab bila-bila masa je nak hujan. Jadi dia orang sedia pakai this tops atau kepala macam topi ni. Nanti kalau hujan dia tak payah dah. And tak perlu guna tangan pun nak pakai. Dia sangkut dekat atas kepala. Dia tak akan jatuh. Okay. Now look at the hottest place on earth. This is a Death Valley. Ini Death Valley. Death Valley ni ialah desert. Okay, as you can see here, the cracked ground that you see in the video is actually a thick layer of salt on the valley floor. Okay, kalau awak nampak yang macam merekah-merekah ni, sebenarnya ini ialah garam. Okay, the rain dissolve. Saya tunjuk ya. Okay, ni nampak tak mountain ni? Okay, when it's rained, okay, the rain dissolve the minerals from the mountain, surrounding mountains ni. Okay, bila hujan dia akan cairkan mineral. Mineral ni garam lah. Daripada bukit-bukit yang ada ni. Okay, and then dia akan turun ke bawah menjadi garam. So that's why it looks like cracked ground. Dia nampak macam pecah-pecah. Okay, so this is the hottest place on earth. Okay, do you know what is the hottest place on earth? In Malaysia? Nanti Google bagi tahu teacher ya. Alright. Now, let's answer these questions. The hottest place. Death Valley in California is the hottest place in the USA. The highest temperature was 56.7 Celsius in 1913. Okay. Although it can be really blank, it can also be very blank at night with the temperatures below 0 Celsius. Okay. Now, temperature 56.7 Celsius. How hot it is? Okay. Our body temperature is 36. Okay, kita punya 36.5. Okay, kita punya suhu badan ialah 36.5. Kalau 36.7, 36.9 itu dah demam. So, can you imagine 56.7 itu dah kategori apa tu? 37 pun dah demam. Okay, kalau 56 lagi panas suhu badan kita. Okay, so it can be really akan sangat 56 ni akan sangat apa? Panas. Yes, so the answer is hot. Now, it can also be very at night. 0 Celsius. Okay. Kalau sejuk, kita guna aircon kat rumah. Ya, paling sejuk ialah 16 Celsius. Kalau dah kosong, mestilah sangat sejuk. Ya, sejuk ialah cold. Okay. Now, I want you to Google ya. Awak cari ni. Sangat menarik fakta ni. At night, sometimes the rocks on the ground at the Death Valley will move around it by itself. Okay, awak tengok batu ni. Kadang-kadang bila waktu malam, dia akan bergerak sendiri. Macam mana? Kenapa? Bagaimana? Yang tu awak sila Google. Nanti bagi tahu teacher bila kita Google Meet ya. Okay, now the coldest place. Vostok Station in Antarctica is probably the coldest place on Earth. Okay, Stesen Vostok dekat Antarctica ialah kemungkinannya adalah tempat yang paling sejuk di dunia. Okay, the lowest temperature ever was negative 89.2 Celsius in 1983. Now, the lowest temperature, suhu yang paling rendah. Kalau kita tengok tadi dekat Death Valley, suhu paling rendah ialah 0 darjah Celsius. So, if you look in your refrigerator, the temperature usually I think is negative 10, negative 16 untuk yang bahagian beku tu. So, how about 89.2 Celsius? Lagilah sejuk. Nak bercakap pun mulut pun boleh beku. Okay. Antarctica is the blank continent at the South Pole. Antarctica ialah tempat kosong benua di kutub selatan with about 87% of the world's ice. Okay. Dengan 87% daripada ais yang berada di dunia ini. Alright? Okay, it can also be very blank. The strongest winds ever was 327 kilometers an hour in 1972. Okay. Dia juga adalah sangat tempat kosong, the strongest wind ever, angin yang paling kuat pada 327 meters per jam pada tahun 1972. Okay, how strong or how fast is 327 kilometers? Okay, if your mother or father drives a car very fast, the most fast that they can drove is around 160 kilometers per hour. Okay, kalau kereta yang mak awak atau apa ayah awak bawa, selalunya paling laju pun 160. Dekat sini ialah 327. Dekat nak 2 kali ganda kan? So, let's look at the answer. Antarctica is the continent at the South Pole with the world ice. So, this is your clue. Okay, this is your clue. Clue untuk jawapan awak ialah ice. Alright. So the answer is I see. Okay, ada orang cakap kat teacher, is the coldest. Boleh tak buat coldest? Okay, boleh sebenarnya. This is your answer. Kalau buat coldest pun boleh, sangat sejuk. Tapi dekat sini, teacher kata based on the words. Kalau kata based on the words yang given, okay ni, dengan ayat-ayat yang diberi, awak kena guna ayat yang teacher bagi. Okay, kalau tak ada perkataan tu, maksudnya awak boleh guna ayat sendiri. Yes, coldest is correct. Coldest paling betul. Boleh juga diterima. Masalahnya sekarang ni teacher kata based on the words given. Melalui ayat perkataan yang teacher bagi. So, ayat yang betul ialah I see. So, I see betul. Coldest pun betul. Boleh terima ya. Okay, and then tengok clue yang kedua. Wind. Okay, so windy. Jawapan dia. Alright. Now look at the foggiest place. Apa tadi? Kawasan yang berjerubu. Berjerubu pula. Berkabus. Okay, berkabus ya. Foggiest ialah berkabus. Teacher cakap jerubu saja tadi. Okay. The foggiest place in the world is Argentina in Canada. Okay. Tempat yang paling berkabus di dunia ialah Argentina in Canada. Di Canada. About 200 days every year. Okay. Daripada setahun tu, 200 hari adalah tengok clue. Apa tadi? Yes, foggiest. So the answer will be foggy. Newfoundland can also be very blank with a lot of thunder and lightning. Okay, Newfoundland ni, kawasan ni adalah selalunya sangat tempat kosong dengan ribut pula thunder, lightning, petir, thunder, guruh dan petir. Kalau guruh dan petir apa? Ya, waktu ribut. So ribut yang paling sesuai ialah stormy. Alright, itu saja pada hari ini. So I will give you a link for quizzes. Teacher akan bagi link pada quizzes. Sila jawab tau berpandukan our lesson today. Bye.